Hello everyone and welcome to How-FixIT. In this video I'm gonna show you how to replace a battery in laptop. To disassemble you will need next tools: Torx T6 screwdriver, Phillips 1 screwdriver, opener and tweezers. In the description I'll add link where to buy all necessary tools. Turn the laptop over and remove all screws on the bottom cover. Next, take the opener and begin to open the case of laptop. Disconnect the battery cable from the motherboard. You can find the replacement battery for this laptop using this part number. In any case, in the description under the video I'll add link where to buy new battery for this laptop. Well, that's all. You were on How-FixIT and see you guys next time.